Tibetans define Tibet as the land surrounded by snow mountain ranges. And when Westerners started coming into Tibet, they called Tibet as the roof of the world because of its altitude. Asians refer to Tibet as the water tower of Asia because all these major rivers that flows into the neighboring India and Pakistan, like the Indus and the Sutlej, or the Brahmaputra that comes into India and Bangladesh, or the smaller rivers that flows into Nepal, or the Irrawaddy or the Salween that flowing into Burma, and the Mekong originating from Tibet and going into Burma, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand and Vietnam, 5 different countries in Southeast Asia. 2 lifelines of China, the Yellow and the Yangtze, also originate from the Tibetan Plateau. Apart from the North Pole and South Pole, Tibet has the largest amount of glaciers and permafrost that feeds all these major rivers. Therefore, any change in climatic conditions on the Tibetan Plateau will have severe consequences, not only to the Tibetan people, but to all the neighboring countries around Tibet.